kayo po ay isa sa mga vice chair ng appropriations panel, ano? At ano po, pagdating sa DPWH, ano ang game plan ng inyong komite? Halimbawa, kinat down daw from an average of 20,000 to hanggang 11,000 na lang itong mga flood control projects for 2027.
I think alam mo, yung Project NOAA na ginawa before pa, dapat kung continuous yun kasi these are geotag at saka database driven ito yung study nila. Meron talagang mga areas sa ating bansa na kailangan talaga ng flood control. Alam ko, I understand the apprehension of the public. Bakit pa yan binalik? We completely understand that. Pero the way to move forward and to address the issue on flood control is really to really run after those who are really implicated. Dun sa mga flood control projects na hindi natapos, ghost project, I think it's not the proper course of action kung hindi na natin pupondohan yung flood control. Kasi may areas talaga sa bansa na kailangan nilang flood control. Simple way of explaining it, would you actually throw away the entire basket of apple just because one is rotten? Diba? Tatanggalin mo yung isang bulok and then okay lang yung kabuuan ng basket.
Parang throwing away the baby with the bathwater.
So, number two, most of the flood control projects are multi-year ang implementation and these are foreign assisted projects. So, nagbabayad tayo ng loan tapos hindi na natin i-continue, 'di ba? I mean, that's how much taxpayers' money is being wasted if we just 100% stop the implementation of this multi-year. Imagine, we are paying not only the principal but even the interest itong mga loan na to. So, that's not in the proper fiscal decision. Sayang yung taxpayers' money na naumpisahan mo na at di mo pa ipatuloy. I think the right course of action is to, again, yung naging investigation nila, continue on.
Oo, kasi
hulihin kung sino yung mga korap.
may bagong budget na naman, parang ano nangyari doon sa ginastos natin dati?
Diba? Exactly. Hulihin yung mga korap, i-continue yung mga dapat i-continue at yung based on doon sa sinasabi kong NOAA, Project NOAA, doon kasi makikita mo At saka geotag naman dito lahat So I think we have to continue on yung sa
1 billion,
kailangan na flood control and then supervise, monitor the implementation of this. Itong mga big ticket infrastructure programs. Kasi talagang kailangan, hindi dapat, I think sa akin hindi dapat yung gagawin natin is maging underutilized ang government expenses because that would actually affect on the overall GDP of the country. Kung underutilized ang ginagawa ng gobyerno just because a problem was cited in one particular area. By the way, the flood control projects, kung di ako nagkakamali, is more than 10,000 in its numbers. Only a few, 18 flood controls project lang ang allegedly na merong questionable dealings. Only 18 out of the, kung di ako nagkakamali, 10,000 or 9,000 flood controls. Ibig sabihin, the rest of the flood control programs have been implemented well.
Tuloy-tuloy lang. Pero ang napapansin lang natin lahat, yung mga binanggit mong bilang ng mga depektibo.
Depektibo. Yun, kailangan natin tingnan kung sino yung gumawa nun. And then run after this crooks, diba? So bakit natin isa-sacrifice yung isang vital infrastructure na program na alam naman natin ang unang-unan niyang objective is paprotektahan sa kalamidad yung mga areas o communities na kailangan na talaga nilang magkaroon ng flood control.